In the United States, as well as globally, there is a shortage of cybersecurity talent overall.
The Security Operations Centers were formed here at LSU with an idea of finding ways to cut our costs while keeping our university safer, but also giving our students real-world experience.
Cybersecurity is our future. We have people trying to break things, and you need people to build things back up and set up better systems and defend them.
The biggest thing that SOC provides us is 24/7, 365 coverage.
The SOC is operated by our students, and without them, we would have nothing. They are the lifeblood and the power of what we're doing here.
From a Louisiana perspective, if you have students that are studying at LSU, not only are they getting an academic value from LSU, but they're also getting real-life work experience through working in the SOC.
I think in many ways, this is a model that is being proven out at LSU, and it's really getting noticed on a national basis. LSU is definitely the thought leader around taking students through a formal process, getting them hands-on experience, and then putting them out into the workplace.
In the cybersecurity field, even though there's over 700,000 job openings, a lot of them require experience before you can get into the door.
I got involved with the Tiger SOC because I wanted real-life experience. I thought it was the perfect opportunity for me to apply what I've been learning while also doing something meaningful in security.
Working in a SOC helped kind of change my perspective and mindset by helping me understand what is valuable and important to actual cyber incident responders. And that kind of experience you only really get from sitting down hands-on and experiencing actual cyber incidents.
Every day it's just been amazing because I really undervalued how well the students were ready for this. Students are well prepared, they understand what's going on, and I helped them put it into context, but they had all the skills and tools needed to make this success. And they're doing a great job in taking that to the next level. It's really a strong reflection of what we're doing as a team.